welcome to Traveling Palette. My name is Kimberly. Thanks for joining me today. I started this channel at the request of friends. Numerous friends would constantly ask me to cook or ask for my recipes and things like that. And heck, some friends even asked me to open restaurants or maybe do some prepared meals and that sort of thing. And I was just like, I am so not that girl. That is so not happening. No. So, with more and more friends asking, somebody suggested, why don't you just do, a YouTube channel or something? I said, okay, you were like the upteenth person to ask me to do that. So I decided to finally come on here and post some recipes for my friends and acquaintances. But now they're available to you as well. So I'm sharing myself with my friends in the world. And let me give you a little background. I developed digestive issues in my early 20s. I'm still having issues with gluten and dairy. So I started experimenting with gluten-free and dairy-free cooking at that time. And at that time, there weren't the variety of prepared items and packaged foods that were gluten-free and dairy-free on the marketplace. So I really had to just figure things out independently, organically, These days, I generally cook gluten and dairy-free at home, but I'm lenient when I go out to eat. And I don't really go out that often because I'm not really that excited. Most of the meals I get outside. In any event, but I do enjoy the dining out experience, and I'm always pleasantly surprised when I find a new restaurant that's just ever so lovely, and I'm like, yay! In any event, and it doesn't upset my stomach, yay! In any event, I am what some would consider to be a thick black woman, and I've struggled with my weight ever since I was probably 12 years old, and I've tried countless diets and fitness programs over the years. I mean, you name it, I probably tried it. And none of those have been sustainable. Interesting enough, I recently came across a Fledged Fitness video on YouTube, and it was he who actually inspired me to try intermittent fasting. And I'm loving it. So these days, I generally do intermittent fasting and OMAD. Most days I have a very healthy meal during my OMAD meal, but I'm mindful of, calories and all those things. But I generally eat what I like, as much as I like, and to fill me up. And that for me is most important because I like to eat. I like food. I like tasty food, more importantly. I love the fact that I am able to eat tasty food and lose inches. And so that for me is a win-win situation. And over the years, I've strived to make some of the best, plant-based and vegan meals so tasty that I don't miss the meat. So most days of the week I eat plant-based. However, I still occasionally enjoy some fish or seafood or chicken. And on very, very rare occasions, I may have some red meat. But as I say, those days are far and few between. And I rarely ever cook it myself. I might choose to have some red meat when I'm dining out. Go figure. In any event, I grew up cooking African American soul food. My family is from the South, so I grew up in New England, but my family's from the South. So that's what I grew up cooking. However, when I started traveling as a young girl, I developed my new loves, which are Caribbean, Indian, Thai. Oh God, I love Thai food. I love all of those. So I'm going to show you how to prepare some of those very, very tastefully. as well as some African food and whatever else floats our boat, So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you as we take a journey and discover a traveling palate. See you soon.